How to get free shipping in Temu. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Temu app on your device. Make sure you are signed in, and now in order to get free shipping, you have to make sure that you are new on Temu, as Temu offers free shipping only to new customers. As you can see, I have the option for free shipping available to me since I am new to Temu and have not made any purchases yet. So, if you are old on Temu and you still want the free shipping option, then you can sign yourself out of the current account you are using and further create a new account for Temu, as this is the only way you can get free shipping in Temu. So go ahead and sign yourself out and create a new account using your Google account, Facebook account, email, or phone number. Once you are logged into Temu using your new account, you will be able to see the option for free shipping. So, this is how you can get free shipping in Temu. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.